Today we're going to be changing out the turn signal switch on our Chevy HHR. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet, extension, and a 7mm socket. To begin, we're going to have to take this cowl out up here. There's 2 screws, one right here where my finger is, and one right here. They're Phillips head screws. So let's begin. Okay, that's one. Oh, and that's 2. Pry this up from here. Just use your fingers. Pry it up. Okay, it pulls down. Same thing like this. Again, I did not use a tool, just used my fingers to pry that up. Have to take that out in order to get this mechanism out. So let's move on to the next step. Next step is to get our ratchet, extension, and socket. Take out 3 bolts that are located down here. One right here, one right here, and there's one right here. And we'll get to start taking those out. Almost. Yep, there we go. All right. Now that we have that done, we'll be able to separate this just by pulling it apart. Again, no other special tools needed. This comes out. Put that wherever you want. Okay. And then just gotta lower this down a little bit, just enough on this left side in order to get it out. To get the turn signal switch out, we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. You have to place it right here and press down so it unreleases the top. And down here, there's another one. Just place it right in there, like that, and push that up. See how that goes up? Okay, you're just pushing that up. So, now, you have 2 clips on the back. This pushes in right here. See that? Pushes in right there. And then we just pull that back and pull it out. Okay. So now our turn signal old bad switch is out of the car. Let's get our new one and put it in. Here we have our new turn signal switch. We're just going to reverse the process. Put our clips back in. Power cords. Stuff. Okay. Now that we have our turn signal switch in, we're just going to reverse the process. Remember to keep this goes on the inside. Some of the other videos we've done, they've been on the outside. Okay. Putting this part back in is probably the hardest because you have to squeeze it in order for it to fit in. So you may have to fool with it for a little bit, but it does go in if you manipulate it long enough. And it goes all the way underneath here. So that's why you have to, like that. Right, that side's in. That's the hardest part. All right. outside works. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.